Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the JavaScript dynamic scoping, and also we saw the two examples, right? So how does the dynamic scoping basically occur in JavaScript? How can we make use of it, right? So today we'll be discussing about the using and creating middlewares in JavaScript. So middleware functions process requests and responses in a pipeline, often used in frameworks like Express.js. So again, I'm telling middleware functions process requests and responses in a pipeline, often used in the frameworks like Express.js, right? So I'll quickly come here. Let's see how to create the custom middleware. We'll not be running this. We'll not be doing this one in the VS Code. I'll just consider some snippet, and I'll try to explain the same, right, within the Express.js. This is nothing but the snippet of this one, Express.js. Basically, I'll just try to write the function, and I'll try to explain how to create the custom middleware by in the Express.js, right? So as I have explained, again I'll tell middleware functions process requests and responses in a pipeline, often used in frameworks like Express.js, right? So let's see how to create the custom middleware. I'll quickly come here. Let me create a function named logger. Within this one, let me pass the parameter request, response, as well as next, right? Let me try to log something here. So here this will be console log of. Within the backticks, let me give here. So what shall I pass here? I have already got the request and response as parameters, right? And just give here. This has to be method, and this has to be this one, URL. So I hope this is clear. Next, let's pass the next function. So I'll just give here app.use of logger. So I'll quickly explain what I have done here. Logger, whatever logger I have made use of here, this one. Basically, this logs the request method and URL. Again, I'm telling this logs the request method and URL, and chaining here, multiple middlewares can be layered, right? Here, basically logger requests the method and URL. Also, it supports chaining where multiple middlewares can be layered. So this is the simple example of how to create the custom middleware in Express.js, right? So this is it for now. Next, we will be discussing about understanding the TypeScript and JavaScript interoperability, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.